Clean the front windshield with a cleaning cloth and stick the suction cup holder in the right place. Connect the car charger and rear camera of DashCam. Route the power cable along the windshield and hide the cable by crowbar. Install the rear camera. Insert the power cord along the gaps between the front windshield and the ceiling, between the car body and the ceiling on the side of the passenger seat, and between the rear seats and the ceiling. Find the installation location on the rear windshield and then stick the electrostatic sticker on the rear windshield. Peel off the 3-in glue on the rear camera and stick the rear camera on the electrostatic sticker.